Hello everyone, from our fourth stop of the day, the one and only ALTMÜHLBOB. This is a pretty unknown and unusual credit here. This is speed bob with its triple airtime hills. It's an alpine coaster with no brakes until the end, and we're just here because we have time on the way to Bayern Park for this pretty rare credit that I'm extremely excited for. And it is also my 500th different roller coaster that I've ridden. So it's a good, weird little choice for a 500th credit, but that's just how the dice rolled, so here we are. Hello, goat. You want to be stroked? No? I'm kind of scared of goats. Hello. Ah! Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, little goatie. Right now, this is the only alpine coaster like this in the world. It was built by Weekend, and it really is a pretty fun ride. Probably one of the shortest lift to ride time ratios out there with its classic mountain coaster style lift system, and the forces really don't go strongly into the negative G's. They just barely stay positive, so you still get some long weightlessness feelings over every single hill. And of course, the speed is enhanced because of the tiny vehicles and those strange looking ditches that were dug so the ride could take advantage of the hill sizes a bit more and running right next to the ground. It's got the classic mountain coaster trains with a covering over the front to stop riders from sticking out their legs, and at the beginning and the end you just close these yourselves. You're going about 60 kilometers per hour or just under 40 miles an hour. Otherwise, the place has the hometown ski resort vibe with some snacks and drinks at the bottom of the hill. It's open from 10 a.m. until 5:30 p.m. usually, so this is a tough stop to get in to work with other theme parks in the area. And it probably lines up best if you do it in the morning and then go to a park afterwards. We came here on a day where we did a bunch of smaller theme parks beforehand, so it worked out as a last stop of the day for us as we drove afterwards. It was a long travel day with a bunch of 1-hour stops involved in it, and this stop takes about 30 minutes here to get both credits, and then pet the goats before you're back on your way. You can eat or also ride again like we did. It's only €3 to ride again, so it's not too bad. The ALTMÜHLBOB mountain coaster is very run-of-the-mill. There's not a lot of speed to it, but there's no auto braking, which is good. It's still just average, however, but that's not why we came here, so it's a nice complement to the faster speed bob. Just a quick stop here, totally worth it. If you have time, if you're going by here, if it's open, this is a stop that you don't want to miss. Be sure to join us next time at Bayern Park, where we ride a Mauer X-Car model Freyschütz. So until next time, thanks as always for watching, and see ya.